Namaskaram friends. Today 60th Divya Desam. I'm talking about Divya Desams that are located in and around Chennai. So far we saw two Divya Desams in and around Chennai. One was Tirunindravur Divya Desam, other one in Tiruvallur. Yesterday we saw Tiruvallur. Today it's famous temple Triplicane Parthasarathi temple. Tiruvallikeni Parthasarathi temple. This temple is located in the Mylapore town, they say, and the village is called Tiruvallikeni, very near to the Samudram, Marina Samudram. It's a very beautiful temple and very old and ancient temple. Parthasarathi Perumal actually is the Urchavar Murti. Moolavar Murti name is Venkata Krishnan. So, but Parthasarathi Perumal is so famous. Even though we worship him as a Urchavar Murti, he is very famous than Venkata Krishna. So let's see. Totally, there are 5 darshans being given by Perumal here in different postures. In standing posture, in reclining posture, in sitting posture. As he walks, there is one posture, and as he flies. So there are total 5 postures he give darshan here. Today I'll cover 2, one in standing posture and other one in reclining posture. The remaining 3 darshans of Perumal of the same Parthasarathi temple I'll cover tomorrow. So this Divya Desam I'll talk for 2 days then. Again, Tiruvallikeni. We'll see how word Tiruvallikeni indicates. Allikeni. Alli is a kind of flower and Keni is a small pond. So the small pond that consists of allis, alli flowers is termed as Tiruvallikeni. There's other name also, Kairaveni Pushkarni. Kairaveni later changed as Alli Keni. Kairaveni Pushkarni. So that's how this place gets the name Tiruvallikeni. Yesterday we saw the Kshetram name as Viksharanyam Kshetram. This Tiruvallikeni is also called as Brindaranyam Kshetram. And we'll see the details. Here Venkata Krishnan, Moolava Murti, gives darshan in the main sanctum with his full family. Rukmani Tayar, we can see along with Venkata Krishnan Swami. And then he gives beautiful darshan with Balaraman, his elder brother. And then Pratyunan, his son Kumaran, we say. Pratyunan and pair and grandson Aniruddhan. And the chariot driver for Lord Krishna, Sadangi. So we can see all these people, entire family members gives darshan in the main sanctum Venkata Krishna in the Parthasarathi temple in standing posture facing towards east. So that's a beautiful darshan we can get. Let's see the history. There was a king called Sumati king. He wants to get the darshan of Lord Vishnu with 2 arms. We usually get the darshan of Lord Vishnu with 4 arms carrying weapons, right? So when he visited Tiruvengadam, Tirumalayappan, he meditated and requested Lord Vishnu, who the Sumati king, to give darshan with 2 arms. And Lord Vishnu, on his meditation, responded him saying that he is giving darshan here as a Vigraham. So if he wants to see him with 2 arms, he asked him to do penance from this Tiruvallikeni place. And so as his advice, Sumati king came there. Meanwhile, Vyasar sage, he sent a Vigraham with 2 arms to his disciple, and his disciple, Vyasa's disciple, carried the Vigraham with 2 arms of Lord Vishnu to this place. He doesn't carry any weapons here. Usually we can get the darshan of Lord Vishnu with discus, conch and other weapons. No, but here we can see Lord Vishnu with two arms just carrying conch. Though he carries just conch, it's very powerful. Let's see the significance of the conch. So Sumati king was already waiting there to get the darshan. Meanwhile, Vyasa's disciple brought the Vigraham of Vishnu with two arms. So is what we see Parthasarathi Perumal here. Thiruvengadathan, Thiruvengada Krishnan, Parthasarathi Perumal. So that's the detail. And the other significance is that we can get the darshan of Lord Narayana here with Mushtaq. We have never seen Perumal with Mushtaq, no? So here, that's a beautiful darshan we can get. Okay, and the other, so this is about the standing posture. The other posture where there is another sanctum where we can get the darshan of Perumal in reclining posture, Ranganatha Perumal or Mannatha Perumal. Mannatha Perumal is the one who is the Sthala Perumal. Parthasarathi Perumal or Venkata Krishna Perumal came from other place to this place. Sthala Perumal is Mannatha Perumal, Ranganatha Perumal, who gives darshan in reclining posture. There is the other side of this temple we can see the sanctum. And the concept of Ranganatha Perumal is Vedavalli Nachiyar. So reclining posture with four arms. And history for this is, this sanctum, for this Perumal's darshan is that Durvasa sage was doing penance. At that time, the king Vishwavarma goes in his chariot over the sky, and the shadow of the chariot fell on the sage Durvasa, and he cursed the king. So to get rid of the curse, the king did the penance from this place. Kairaveni Pushkarni said no, he did the penance and he got the beautiful darshan of Ranganatha Perumal in Triplicane, Parthasarathi temple of Tiruvallikeni. And there was another sage called Mudular sage who did the penance here, and he thought the fishes that are swimming in the pond is disturbing his penance, and he requested all the fishes in the pond to vacate that place. So even now, if you see this Kairaveni Pushkarni, there will not be even one fish in it. It's a very surprising thing, no? That's the significance of this Pushkarni and the temple. So that's about the two different postures of Perumal. One in standing posture, I said, who is Parthasarathi Perumal, or of Urchavar Murthy, and reclining posture is Ranganatha Perumal with Vedavalli Nachiyar. Tomorrow I'll cover the same temple with three other postures of three other darshans of Perumal. Friends, thank you all. Namaskaram.